Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing essentials. Make sure your carrier supports dual SIM on iPhone 15 and that your phone is updated to the latest iOS. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and sign into your Apple ID. Now open Settings, tap Cellular and choose Add Cellular Plan. Scan the carrier QR code or enter the SMDP Plus details or install via the carrier app. Proceed step by step. This registers the eSIM profile while keeping your physical SIM active. After the eSIM installs, you'll configure how both lines work. First, label each line, primary, secondary, work, so apps and the phone app show clear choices. Next, choose the default line for voice and SMS and separately set which line handles cellular data. This matters for apps and hotspot use. Make sure iMessage and FaceTime use the correct number under Messages settings. If you travel, enable data roaming on the selected data line to avoid dropped connectivity. Finish by testing. Place a call on each line, send an SMS, and verify cellular data and hotspot work as expected. If a line won't activate, restart the iPhone and rescan the QR code or use the carrier app. Sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling the eSIM profile fixes it. If problems persist, contact your carrier for provisioning details. As a last resort, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi passwords, but often resolves stubborn dual SIM conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.